finish one chapter, that is numbers up to 9999. So in this, what are the important points to remember, that just I will give a glance. Okay, first is we learn the smallest and the greatest number. So the smallest one digit number is 1, and the greatest one digit number is 9. Smallest 2 digit number is 10. The greatest 2 digit number is 99, and the smallest 3 digit number is 100. Greatest 3 digit number is 999. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000, and the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. So you are learning the numbers up to 9999. So this much you must remember. In smallest number, that is only 1 and 0. In greatest number, all the digits are 9. If it is 1 digit number, only 1 9. 2 digit number means 2 9s. That way you remember in mind, so it will be easy. Next is the face value and the place value. Face value and the place value. Suppose if there is a number 4253. So in this number, the place value will be the number itself. Now suppose if you have to write the face value of 2. So face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 5 is 5. Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 4 is 4. So face value will be the number itself. Face, you remember, face means when you look at this number, look at the face of this number. What do you think? This alone, if you look, this looks like a 4. So the face value is 4. And place value is little different. You have to multiply the face value by the place. Suppose you have to find the place value of 5. So 5's place value will be, first you have to write the face value. So face value of 5 is 5 multiplied by the place. Place is, it is in which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is in tens place. So the place is 10. So 5 into 10, 50. So this is the way you have to find the place value. Place value is multiply the place by the face value. Okay, the next point is expanded form. Expanded form. Suppose to expand this number, you have to write the place value of the each digit and you write in the sum. You write its sum. So 7 place value is 7000. Again 8 place value is 800. Again plus 4 place value is 40. 5 place value is 5. So the place value is 7's place value is 7000, 8 place value is 800, 4's place value is 40, 5 place value is 5. So we are writing in sum. The place values we are writing in the sum. Plus you have to write. So this is called the expanded form. So writing the place value of the each digits in its sum, that is called the expanded form. We are expanding into the larger number. Expanded form. Next is the predecessor and the successor. Predecessor and the successor. So to find the predecessor means before. Predecessor means before. You remember here B and P. That way you remember predecessor means before. So here you have to minus 1. And successor means after number. So what is the next number? That is the after number. So to find the successor, you have to plus 1. Suppose the question is given, what is the successor of the smallest 2 digit number, greatest 2 digit number. So the greatest 2 digit number is 99. Greatest 2 digit number is 99. Its successor will be the next number. You have to plus 1. So with 99, if you plus 1, you will get 100. So 100 is the successor of 99. And 100 is the smallest 3 digit number. So the successor of the greatest 2-digit number is the smallest 3-digit number. The successor of the greatest 2-digit number is the smallest 3-digit number. And the predecessor of a, suppose the predecessor of a smallest 4-digit number. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So to find the predecessor, you have to minus 1. So 1000 minus 1, if you from 1000 if you minus 1, you will get 999. So the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number is the greatest 3-digit number. So this is the way you can remember. Predecessor means you have to minus 1, successor means you have to plus 1. Again, rounding of the number. Rounding of the number to the 10, to the nearest 10. To round up to the number nearest the 10, nearest to 10. Now, suppose if it is the number is like this, to round up to the nearest 10, you have to mark the number in the tens place. So the number in tens place is 5. Now you have to look at the next number, the right side of the next number. The next number is 8. If it is above 5 and equal to 5, then you are adding 1, and this 8 is above 5, so you will plus 1. So if you plus 1, this will be 6, and the left side number will remain the same, the right side number will become 0. So this is rounding up to the nearest 10. Suppose rounding off to the nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100. So to round off to the nearest 100, you have to circle the number, mark the number in hundreds place. So here in hundreds place the number is 9. Then now you have to look at the right side of the next number. So here the next number is 5, and this is equal to 5. Since it is equal to 5, so here you will add 1. So plus 1. If you plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. But you cannot write here 10, 2 digits together. So only 1 digit you can write. So 0 you will write, that 1 you will carry here. So 4 plus 1, 5. So this 4 became 5 and 9 became 0. And the right side, whatever the remaining digits are there, that all will become 0. So this is rounding off to the nearest 100. Again, rounding off to the nearest 1000. Rounding off to the nearest 1000. To round off to the nearest 1000, you have to mark the number in the tens place. So here the tens place, the number is 2. And this is smaller than 5. Since it is smaller than 5, you will not make any change. So you will write as it is. And I told the right side, all the digits will become 0. Remaining all these 3 digits will become 0. So when you round off 2476 to the nearest 1000, this will become 2000. So this is rounding off to the nearest 10, 100, 1000. To nearest 10 means mark the tens place, nearest 100 means mark the hundreds place, nearest 1000 means mark the thousands place. Again you change, change will happen if the right side, the next number is equal to 5 or bigger than 5, then you will add 1 to the number which you have marked. If it is smaller than 5, then you will not add anything, you will write as it is. So this is rounding off to the nearest 100, 10, 100 and 1000. Again, next we learn Roman numeral. We learn Roman numerals. Roman numerals are using 7 letters of English alphabet. 7 letters of the English alphabets. So that is I, B, X, L, C, M, D, M, and I value is 1, 5, B value is 5, X value is 10, L value is 50, C value is 100, D value is 500, and 1000, M is 1000. So these are the 7 symbols, the English alphabets used for the Roman numerals. So remember this 7 letters and its value, then it is easy for you. Then I also taught you the 4 rules. That is, the right side, if when we repeat, no, the repetition will take only 3 times. Now 30. So this is 3 times it repeats. But 4 times we cannot repeat this one. Again, to make 40, you cannot repeat 4 times. Okay, only 3 times it will be repeated, and repetition also only 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Only these will be repeated. These will not be repeated. These things will not be repeated. Again, if there is a bigger number, and on the left side if there is a smaller number, bigger number, left side of the bigger number, if there is a smaller number, then you will minus. This is 10 and here it is 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. So the value of this number is 9. And suppose there is a bigger number and right side if there is a smaller number, then we add. Here it is 10 and this is 1. So here you have to plus. So 10 plus 1, 11. So its value is 11. So remember this way. So these are the rules. If you remember, easily you can calculate the Roman numerals. Again, I want to tell you, we were learning the numbers, no? So from single digit numbers, there are 9 numbers. Single digit numbers already you know, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here there are 9 numbers. Again, 2 digit number starts from 10 and it is ends in 99. And so between this there are 90 numbers are there. Again, 3 digits numbers are starting from 100 and it ends in 999. And here there are 900 numbers are there. Between 100 to 999 there are 900 numbers are there. Again, 4 digits starts from 1000 and it ends in 9999. So between 1000 to 9999 there are 9000 numbers are there. So this you will remember and keep in mind, this can be asked in the fill in the blanks.